Many people are wondering why we are suddenly releasing images of Wicknell and Pokello everywhere. Well, we are reliably informed that it is all part of an elaborate game of thrones for the presidency after President Mnangagwa if CAB3 succeeds. Sarabda mashkobdani kwa chinzi Pokello, Wicknell, Junior in CAB3 Game of Thrones. Kado subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibida panapa Marinyara Nubdanyara GT. We understand that due to the presidency's declining cognitive function, my Mnangagwa wants Junior Mnangagwa to take over after him. This is why, sometime last year, she is said to have pressured Junior to leave Pokello so that he could clean up his image in preparation for succeeding his father. Rumors are that to get Pokello off Junior's back, she was given $2 million and Wicknell then stepped in as the new boyfriend to take care of her lifestyle. So, while many think Kudata Gure is the only one contesting against General Chiwenga for the presidency, Junior Mnangagwa was also being quietly grouped for the same position, but unbeknownst to them all, Wicknell himself, the current presidency private chief of security Scott Kwanya and most members of the federal government are also gearing themselves to use their money to induce parliament to choose them as the next president if CAB3 succeeds. They all now see themselves as possible candidates for the presidency if CAB3 passes. Gone are the days when the presidents were selected according to who was most suitable for the job. Now, they will be selected according to who has the most money. Those with the upper hand are Wicknell and Scott, who now control the president's diary and determine who can see him at his private office. Scott is even known to sit in on all meetings and then to offer counsel to the president once the meeting is over. Wicknell is further ahead than the others when it comes to public goodwill because of his distribution of vehicles and how he cleverly continues to pledge allegiance to his father, the president, while appearing to have no ambitions for public office. Meanwhile, Tagore is said to be using Gomatanga to block some of the payments due to other Uganda in order to reduce their financial influence because he is slowly losing ground to the other wealthy contenders. For this, all Uganda daggers are out for him. This is slowly shaping up into a dog-eat-dog contest in which the Uganda may need ultimately eliminate one another from the competition that is building up. Apana asingade ita president, or this chaos becomes a reality if CAB3 passes. To my developments are pangwa in a comment section made of in what clip I'm subscribe or like on the bell icon.